Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to cook vegan hot dogs. Grilling is a fantastic way to get a smoky flavor and a nice char on your plant-based frankfurters. First, preheat your grill to a medium heat, about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly oil the grates to prevent sticking. Place your vegan hot dogs directly on the grill and cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes, turning often. They're ready when they have lovely grill marks and are heated through. If you're looking for a quick and easy method, pan frying is an excellent choice. Start by heating about 1 tablespoon of your favorite cooking oil in a skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully add your vegan hot dogs to the pan. Cook them for approximately 6 to 8 minutes, turning them regularly to achieve a beautiful golden brown color on all sides. This method ensures they are perfectly warmed and ready to enjoy in no time. For a softer texture, similar to traditional hot dogs, boiling is a great option. Begin by bringing a pot of water to a vigorous rolling boil. Once the water is bubbling, gently place your vegan hot dogs into the pot. Let them boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. This short cooking time is usually enough to heat them thoroughly without overcooking. Once done, carefully drain the water and your hot dogs are ready for your favorite toppings. When you're cooking for a crowd or prefer a hands-off approach, oven baking is incredibly convenient. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your vegan hot dogs in a single layer on a baking sheet, ideally lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes, flipping them halfway through. This method ensures they are evenly heated and ready to serve a larger group with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.